Hello, and welcome back. My name is Anna. I am your English teacher.
Hi, Anna. Hi, everyone.
This is Lesson 4, Easy English for Beginners.
We speak slowly. We use simple words. You can understand.
Before we start, please subscribe to this channel. Click on subscribe.
Yes, please subscribe. It helps the channel, and you get more English lessons.
Great. Now, let's start Lesson 4. First, a small review. Mark, what color is your t-shirt? It is blue. Good. How is the weather today?
It is sunny.
How are you?
I am happy and a little tired.
Nice. Listener, answer too. How are you today? Say, I am. Good. Now, new things. Today, we talk about places, house, and where things are.
Places, house, and where. Very useful.
First, places in town. Listen to the words. School,
School,
park,
park,
supermarket,
supermarket,
restaurant,
restaurant,
bank,
bank,
hospital,
hospital,
bus stop,
bus stop,
train station. Listener, say them with us. School, park, supermarket, restaurant.
bank, hospital, bus stop, train station.
Very good. Now, simple sentences. This is a school.
This is a park.
This is a supermarket.
This is a restaurant.
This is a bank.
This is a hospital.
Listener, make one sentence. Say, this is a. Choose one place. Great. Now we use I go to. I go to the supermarket.
I go to the park.
I go to school.
I go to the restaurant.
Listener, say two sentences. For example, I go to school. I go to the park. Say them now. Now, we talk about the house. Listen to some words. Room,
Room,
living room,
living room,
kitchen,
kitchen,
bedroom,
bedroom,
bathroom,
bathroom,
bed,
bed,
table,
table,
chair,
chair,
sofa,
sofa,
TV.
TV.
Listener, say them with us. Living room, kitchen, bedroom, bathroom,
Bed, table, chair, sofa, TV.
Very good. Now, small sentences. This is the kitchen.
This is the bedroom.
There is a table in the kitchen.
There is a bed in the bedroom.
There is a sofa in the living room.
There is a TV in the living room.
Listener, now you. Say one sentence with there is. For example, there is a chair in the room. Make your sentence now. Nice. Now we ask where. Where is the TV? It is in the living room. Where is the bed? It is in the bedroom. Listener, your turn. I ask, where is the table? Answer, it is in the kitchen. Say it now. Now we learn words for place, where things are. Listen. In,
In,
on,
on,
under,
under,
next to.
next to.
Good. We use them like this. The book is on the table.
The bag is under the table.
The chair is next to the table.
The food is in the kitchen.
Listener, repeat one by one. The book is on the table.
The bag is under the chair.
The chair is next to the table.
The food is in the kitchen.
Now we play a small game. Mark, I ask you, where is the book?
The book is on the table.
Where is the bag?
The bag is under the chair.
Where is the sofa?
The sofa is in the living room.
Where is the lamp?
The lamp is next to the sofa.
Good. Listener, your turn. Look at one thing near you. Maybe a phone, a pen, a book. Say, the is on the table, or the is in my bag, or the is next to the computer. Say one sentence now. Now we talk about how we go to places. Listen. I go to school by bus.
I go to work by car.
I go to the park on foot. On foot means I walk.
I go to the supermarket by bike.
Good. Listener, repeat. By bus.
By car.
On foot.
By bike.
Now, full sentences. I go to school by bus.
I go to work by car.
I go to the park on foot.
I go to the supermarket by bike.
Listener, make your own sentence. Think, how do you go to work or school? Say, I go to by bus. Or, I go to by car. Or, I go to on foot. Say it now. Excellent. Now let's mix everything in a small story. Mark, tell us about your day. Talk about your house and your town.
Okay. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I'm in my bedroom. My bed is next to the window. My phone is on the table. I go to the kitchen. There is a table in the kitchen. The chairs are next to the table. The food is in the fridge. At 8 o'clock, I go to work by bus. I walk to the bus stop. The bus stop is next to the supermarket. I work in a bank in the city. At 12, I go to a restaurant. I have lunch. In the evening, I go home. Sometimes I go to the park. The park is near my house.
Very nice, Mark. Listener, now it's your turn. You can make a short story. Use simple sentences. For example, I live in a house. There is a kitchen and a bedroom. There is a bed in my bedroom. I go to school by bus. The bus stop is next to my house. Now think about your life. Say 4 or 5 sentences.
You can pause the podcast, then speak.
Great job. Let's review, Mark. Places in town.
School, park, supermarket, restaurant, bank, hospital, bus stop, train station,
Rooms in the house.
living room, kitchen, bedroom, bathroom,
Things in the house.
bed, table, chair, sofa, TV,
Place words.
in, on, under, next to,
Ways to go.
by bus, by car, on foot, by bike.
Important questions. Where is the TV?
It is in the living room.
Where is the bank?
It is next to the supermarket.
How do you go to school?
I go to school by bus.
Listener, you did a lot today. You learned many new words and sentences.
You can listen again. You can repeat with us.
And please subscribe to this channel. Then you can get lesson 5.
Yes, subscribe and like the video.
Thank you for learning with us today.
You did a very good job.
See you in the next lesson.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye.